loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you join our little growing family. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you for coming back. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my Victoria's Secret body mist collection. It's a lot. This is my collection and I'll be sharing with you guys how to smell good on a budget. You don't have to, I personally don't believe like you have to buy a bottle of perfume for $300-400 for you to smell good. I mean, I do it, some people do it, but I don't think that's what it takes for you to smell really good. I feel like you can use this to smell good. So let me help you save your coins, sis, because it's summertime. I feel like you can use body mist. And also Victoria's Secret is about to have their semi-annual sale. It starts on June 2nd. So let me share with you guys what I got last year and this year. If you like the way I talk about them, you can go ahead and get yourself some because this one smells really good. So I'll be talking about, I have 10 that I'll be talking about, and the rest are like backups that I do have. So yeah, let's just start the video. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I don't know if I mentioned that already. And don't forget to like the video and share with your friends and your family. Let's keep growing, you guys. So the first one I want to talk about is Wildflower. I'm gonna be spraying them to remind me of their smell because some of them I haven't used in a while, so I don't remember all the smell. But let me go ahead and spray some and I will let you guys know. I'll explain the smell. Oh yeah, this one is amazing. It smells really good. It smells like a flower. It smells like a woman. It smells like womanly, elegant. It smells a little sweet but with a kick, you know what I mean? That's what this one smells like. It smells like I'm on vacation on the beach and I open all the curtains, the wind is blowing from the beach and I spray myself and I'm laying down on my bed hanging out with my boo. And yeah, that's exactly what this one smells like. And this definitely can go for a teenager too. So, and this one was Wildflower. So the next one I'm gonna go for and talk about is Confetti Flower. Oh gosh, this one smells good. This one smells really good. This one smells like, this reminds me of a grape soda. It smells like a candy or a grape soda. It smells really good. It smells fresh. It smells like I just took a good shot. Oh yes, the kickback. Oh my gosh, it smells good. It smells like I just took a fresh shower and I just spray myself with this all over. And I am hanging out and just to sit looking at the beach and the sun is about to come down. It smells really fresh though. This is Confetti Flower. Next one is Moonlit Dahlia. This smells really good. This smells like I am walking in the city at night. And it's very powdery. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's powdery. It smells like I'm walking in the city at night, in a hot night though, like summer night. I'm walking in the city, you know, with the girls or with anybody really. It smells really nice. It smells, yeah, that's the best I can do with this one. It smells like walking in the city and I'm headed to the movies. This one smells really good. Next one is Midnight Fleur, which is Midnight Flower. And oh, this one smells bougie. This one smells like, ooh, let me spray. This one smells really bougie. This one smells like I am going into like a bougie store. I don't want to put like, you know, one of my perfume on. I just want to smell fresh but smells expensive, and I know I'm going into a nice store and I want to smell like that. So that's exactly what this one smells like to me. Midnight Fleur, which is Midnight Flower in English. Yes, that's what I would use this for. Next one is Dark Peony or Dark Peony. And let's see what you smell like, buddy. Oh, she smells sweet. She smells really sweet and dark. Hence the name. She smells really sweet and dark. but she smells tempting. She smells like a forbidden fruit. Like, you know, the fruits, like, you know, it smells like you're looking at the fruit, you're like, I should eat this. I should eat this, but you know you're not supposed to eat this. That's exactly what this one smells like to me. Oh yeah, it smells really good. If you are that type of woman who likes to feel elegant, confident, but with a twist, like, you know, you have that dark side to you that nobody knows about but your boo, this is for you, sis. Get that. And the next one is After Party Angel. Let's see what this one smells like. Not in my mouth. Oh yes, this one smells exactly what it says. It smells like I got invited to a party and the party is over, right? But I know I got somebody just whispered in my ear and says, do you want to hang out some more? And you're like, yeah, sure, let me grab my car. And you grab your car, you drive, and you, right before you get out to go hang out some more, you just spray yourself all over, you freshen up. And that's exactly what this one smells like. But it's good for any age. You know, it's got all these things all over it. It's very sultry. Like, it's very, yeah, it's very sultry. It smells really good. Next one I have is Dim All the Light. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh yes, this one smells like a fresh shower though, but I just showered with a men shower gel that came with their perfume. This is what this one smells like, but I shower with it with the shower gel from a men's fragrance, but then I applied something sweet on my skin, so I still got the shower gel smell on me, but I also have something sweet on me as well, and they mix together. It smells so good. It's got a little bit musk to it though, but it's like a nice subtle musk, not like musky, but like a very nice subtle musk where I'm like, I can wear this to hang out in the city as a tourist, you know. That this one smells like that. And this is Dim All the Lights. Next one is Showtime Angel. Oh yeah, oh yes, oh my gosh, this smells so fresh. Whoa. Oh yes, this smells so fresh. Oh my goodness. By the way, by the time I finish with this video, I will cut up this room. It's going to smell in here like I just walked into Victoria's Secret. Or, you know, this can either go, like, you know, the whole smell I'm spraying on me right now can either go both. But anyway, this smells like, wow, it smells really fresh. It smells like I'm going into vacation. I just got into the hotel and I just want to go eat something because I just got to the hotel, and I just spray myself with that because I didn't shower yet, but I just sprayed myself with that to freshen up because I know I'm about to go into the lobby to get something to eat. That's exactly what this one smells like. This is Showtime Angel. Put this right here in the back. And right here we have Jasmine Noire. This one, oh, whew. Oh my goodness, this one smells good. Oh, this one smells really good, you guys. Oh my gosh, oh wow, this smells really good. This one is Jasmine Noire, and it's like, wow, it's it smells like I am going to dinner, but I know I'm staying at a hotel in the city though. I'm going to dinner, but it's at the same hotel. You know what I mean? Like, but in the city. This one smells really good. So if you're that type of woman that, you know, you just don't feel like you want to feel sticky all over, you don't want to put perfume on. If you don't, like, it's for people who's not into perfume too much but wants to smell good. So it's not gonna make you sneeze or nothing like that. It smells really good. I do have one I haven't talked to you guys about. Which one are you? Where are you? There, this one, Sunset Crush. I wanted to talk to you guys about this one. Oh my gosh, this smells like vacation. This one smells just like vacation. This one smells like I'm ready. I've been on vacation with Boo Thing, and we're about to go to dinner on the beach. Like, we have a candlelight dinner waiting for us, and I spray myself with this because I don't want to put perfume on. I just want to put some body mist on. That's exactly what this one smells. It smells like the island. Oh, it smells good. It's like, if you have any vacation you getting ready to go to, whether it's cruise or whatever, just go with this. This one smells so good. Sunset Crush. And I have 3 or 4 of this. And the last one, last but not least, I wanted to save this one for last because this is Victoria's Secret Love Spell Frosted. Listen, if you've been to high school, I do not care. Even in middle school, I remember kids were using this. This one smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells good. I feel like this is the toned down version of Love Spell, and it's frosted. It's called Love Spell on Ice. Love Spell Frosted. And it smells exactly like that. It smells like, you know, oh, it smells good. I'm sorry, but this one smells really good, you guys. You guys know what Love Spell smells like. I don't have to even explain it. You guys already know the smell of Love Spell. So get your hands on this, and this is the Love Spell Frosted. Get your hand on this. It smells so good. So yeah, this was the last one, you guys. I don't know if I've already mentioned that, but Victoria's Secret is about to have a sale. Their semi-annual sale starting June 2nd. So, by the way, I didn't even pay that much for these ones because I got them last year from the sale. They were like $3 something to $6 something. The highest I paid for one of these was $6 and something. So, just what I usually do, just a quick tip, what I usually do is I go to Victoria's Secret every day when they're having their semi-annual sale. Right after work I go because every time, like, as the sale is going down, they bring down the prices. So you can try that at your own risk. I'm not saying you're gonna find the best ones, but you will find great ones because at a lower price too. So this was Love Spell, and that was my last one. And on each one of these, you guys, I have about like 3, except for Midnight Fleur. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 of Midnight Fleur. It smells, or 9. It smells really good. So yeah, that's all I had to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I have more perfume content coming up, so stick around, subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to share with your friends and your family. Also, let's connect on Instagram because I enjoy talking to people on Instagram. I'm always on there. Let's connect when I'm not posting Monday or Thursday. I'm on Instagram hanging out with you guys, so come say hello. I'll follow back. Let's hang out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.